Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this one on a routine basis. Didn't do it yesterday, but wanted to get it done today as we head into the weekend and then a new year. And it also, chart is at an interesting spot. And for those of you that have been watching the past videos, I'm sure you are aware of what spot I'm talking about. But it's in regards to this green line right here, or otherwise known as 390, to assign a numerical value to it. And this is just essentially the bottom of this channel pattern that the price has been in for a couple of weeks now. I mean, it's just kind of been hovering back and forth multiple times. You know, the price has been down right around this area, and that's what happened today. And, to give credit where credit's due, good that the bulls held on. But, I mean, the bears definitely made a little progress today, too. I mean, whenever the bottom of a pattern is being formed, that implies that kind of the bears are knocking on the door, trying to push down through. Just on the flip side, I mean, if the price was up here, that'd be a sign that, the bulls were knocking on the door of the bears trying to push through. But here we have, the bears trying to make some progress, but so far so good. The bulls are holding strong, and you definitely want to see this happen going into next week too, where the price kind of just continues to hover around here. Now, if the price does separate to the downside, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined, but I will say this, and kind of the easiest way to look at it is the further the price separates from $3.90, or in other words, the farther the price separates, from this channel, that's just the more and more evidence that, yeah, this is a channel breakdown and that the bears are gaining control. Not saying that'll happen, just saying that's a very easy way to kind of measure, the health of the chart as we go into the new year is, can it stay and maintain above $3.90, which, again, to be fair to the bulls, and I give credit where credit's due, the bulls are doing a good job. It's holding right here around 390, and, that's definitely the key thing. I'm not going to say that if the price, starts to separate, that it's going to go down to 360 in 2 seconds, but yeah, next level of support, not until kind of quite a bit of a ways down. So it would not be shocking at all to see this continue to drift downwards if $3.90 can hold. But so far, so good. So we'll have to see if the bulls can continue to do that or not going into next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right here to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.